Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nukman Salvani Safar, and our team we will tell about job training experience in Astra Daihatsu, Astra Isuzu, and United Truck. The background of the work practice: we carry out job to increase knowledge, skill, and save ourselves in attitude though. The aim of the work practice. The aim of doing job training is to form a good work ethic so that in the future we can become qualified graduates. In the next slide, we will tell about our experience in practical field work, which consists of our daily activities in work environment, and easy access for workers. And this is my experience. On the first day, we practiced work. We were given uniform and safety shoes. Next, we were given several directions, such as scheduling cleaning picket to guard booths, division of work team, and introducing some special tools that we must always take care. Before, we were given a talk text. We were given time to identify the work environment, such as observing where the exact position of each mechanic was. And the next slide will delivery by Akbar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akbar Sultoni. In the company, I got quite a lot of experience. I was tutored by many seniors. I was taught to respect every employee, serve every customer well, and respect superiors during the year. I conducted field work training. I already had skills to repair large engine truck damage. Thanks their analysis damage. And now all the possibility I was able to do all that thanks to the training provided by senior mechanic as well as their patience when teaching me. They allow me to come up with good ideas for the betterment of the company and made me and qualified candidate for work. And the next slide will delivery by Rian.
My name is Rian Andika Saputra. This is my daily apprenticeship at Isuzu Dan Mogot. I apprenticed in the repair section, starting at EM. I went to the graduate by reading a motorway. When I arrived, I immediately went up to locker room. I learned a workpack. I gathering with other apprentices. My mechanic gave us for a morning briefing. Then after that, I went starting to use Imposa room and the equipment room to be cleaned and cleaned. After I used it to work for car service, namely changed the oil and oil filter and check the wires. Then I replaced some old parts needed to be replaced, such as the front and rear brake. At 12 noon, there was a break time. I had lucky and prayed with other mechanic. After I break, I did service to other customer cars. I also listed that the car well being repaired or replaced and noted what I have done. At 5 in the afternoon, there were no more customers, so I went up to the locker room to wash up and get ready to go home. And that was my activities at Isuzu Dan Mogot. And the next slide with delivery by Ketut.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ketut Subaga. This is my experience. I did an internship at Daihatsu Cibubur with 4 of my other friends. I woke up at 5 a.m. and continued with morning prayers. After that, I had breakfast so I could be strong. At 6 a.m., I arrived at the bus stop. I used to get on Transjakarta transportation to the Daihatsu Cibubur workshop. Arriving at the workshop, I immediately rushed to change clothes with a wear pack. Around 7 o'clock, went down to clean the tools to be used. Then I got ready for briefing. Next, I was waiting for the customer car come to be serviced by the mechanic, and I became the assistant mechanic. One car arrived to be serviced. I immediately rushed to prepare the equipment, then read the paper that the mechanic gave me to do. After I knew what to do, I immediately did it, and the first job was about removing 4 tires to clean the brakes and brake pads. I used a special fluid for the brake pads. After that, I immediately did the next task, namely changing the oil. Here are the process of changing the oil. The first step was to open the engine oil cap. Wait until all the engine oil was washed. Close it again then. Open the oil filter with a special tools. After that, close it after everything was finished there. Enter the new engine oil and enter the final stage, which is the final check by distorting all car tires. And the job is done.
When it was 12
We
noon,
all had rest and we had lunch. After that, we back to work until at 4 p.m. We cleaned up all the equipment and rearranged the tools used, and the day was finished and continued the next day. Then we prepare to go home. Thank you.